Hi YouTube, welcome. So this is my first ever video for YouTube and my first ever video for Strawberry Fox, and I want you to come along with me today because I'm doing something else the first time as well, with my first ever time pouring resin, and that's why we're here in my garden shed. Because you have to do it in a well ventilated area. So I'm going to open these doors behind me so I've got a nice breeze coming through. As well as that, I'm also going to be wearing, I've got goggles, this type of mask, and I've got an old jumper to put on as well to protect my clothes. And I also have some nitrile gloves. So this is the resin that I got. It says Sig Wong. I got this off Santa Claus, but I believe he got it off Amazon, and it was about £15. Right, shall we get on with it? So I'm just measuring equal parts A and B for my resin, as it's a 1-to-1 ratio. And then I'm pouring it into this disposable cup. And when you're stirring the resin, you want to make sure you stir it very slowly so you don't generate bubbles. Obviously here the footage has been sped up. And then off camera I also stirred it again in front of a heater just to pop any bubbles. So firstly I've just gone in with a clear resin, and then I'm just using the little spatula to make sure it reaches all the corners. And again, if there's any bubbles in the corners, the spatula should help eliminate those bubbles. With the first bookmark, I've decided to use this rose gold foil. So this is off Wish and it was very affordable. And I'm just going to sprinkle it along the bookmark. There we go. And then I'm just using the spatula to make sure all the pieces are covered by resin, otherwise it will be exposed on the back and you'll be able to feel the foil. And then I have gone in with the glitter, and then as you see I'll just mix that round a little bit to make sure it is all incorporated in the resin as well. So what you could have done is pour this into a separate cup and put the glitter in, and then added the rose gold after, which might be something I decide to do next time. And then I've just covered it again with some more clear to make sure the mould is full. Then for the second mould, I decide to go in with some pink glitter. I use the spatula to mix it into the resin and make sure it's all evenly distributed. So next, as you can see, I didn't take the tape off this glitter, so I had to take my gloves off to untape the boxes. And I decided to just get the stars out whilst I have my gloves off. But I do put them back on, you'll see, before I start touching all the resin again. And I've decided for this mould to use this pink foil. I believe this was also from wish.com. And the pink foil is very similar to the gold, but it has this like iridescent pink to it. And I've added this chunkier glitter. It's actually stars, you can't really tell from here, but it's small stars, and that's also in like a darker pink colour. And then finally I'm adding some polymer clay stars, and I've just picked out the pink and purple coloured stars from the package in there, because I thought it'd be nice to just keep on the pink theme. So like I said before, make sure everything is covered in resin, just poke it down with that little spatula. And then I go back in with a final piece of clear resin just to make sure everything's incorporated. And we're back. It's been about 22 hours, so if this is a bit bendy, that'll be why, because it's supposed to take 24 hours to cure. But I want it to come back now because I was very excited. So let's see how it's gone. did you think? How do you think it went? I really like how it's come out. I like all the pink and like the rose gold copper tones in this one. But yeah, my first time pouring resin, I think it went pretty well. So let me know how you think it went down below, and don't forget to subscribe because I will be posting more videos, not only resin but other crafts as well. So don't forget to like if you liked it and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you around. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!